Hello everyone. So in today's lecture, we are going to discuss one awesome topology which is used nowadays. Yes, in our previous two videos, we have learned about bus topology and ring topologies which are not used nowadays. But today we are going to discuss about star topology, which is known as one of the best topology for local area networks. So in star topology, you can see there is a centralized network device used, and all the PCs, workstations, servers, printers are connected with each other with the help of this centralized network device. So in today's lecture, we are going to learn about this centralized network device as well as the best packet flow of your PCs. So first of all, we need to learn about the concept of star topology. So in star topology, every host directly connected to centralized hub or switch. You can see the packet transmission. So this is, you can use according to your best thing. Like if you want to use less costly device, then hub can be used. But most of the users nowadays used switch device because switch is fast. In our next slide, we will discuss why switch is used instead of hub. So in this, you can see centralized device directly connected to PCs as well as servers and workstations. One central switch or hub act as a conductor. Conductor means like it is used to conduct all the packets from one PC to another PCs. The star network is one of the most common computer network topology because in this the transmission line between all the devices are one to one. Like in another topology, all the data transfer via one PC to another PC and another PC to another PC. In this, centralized device can send data from one PC to another PC unidirectional as well as bi-directional also. So in star topology, we are using device hub or switch. So nowadays people use switch instead of using hub. Now, what is the difference between hub and switch? So, the basic and first difference between hub and switch is hub always do broadcasting. Now, broadcasting means if my first PC connected to first port, second PC connected to second port, third is connected to third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, then if first PC want to send data to third, then packet arrives on switch, hub, and hub always broadcast to everyone. So there is no security in hub. Hub cannot learn MAC address of every device. So that's why it always broadcast. And one of the most disadvantage of hub is hub has one broadcast domain and one collision domain. Broadcast domain and collision domains are the important factor in sending data from sender to receiver. Broadcast domain means like one broadcast domain in which all the devices are associated. Collision domain means the path from one PC to another PC. So in hub, there is a have only one path for all the data communication between all the devices. But unlikely switch is our smart device. Why? Because switch first time do broadcasting, but after that it can perform unicast process. Unicast means in switch we can perform one-to-one data transmission from every port. Now the question arises, like first time why switch broadcast? Because first time it will broadcast for learning the concept of MAC table. In MAC table there are MAC addresses associated of every devices. So when it learns the MAC address of every device, it starts unicasting. So it is better than hub. And one more important point is Switch has one broadcast domain same as hub, but many collision domain. Like many collision domain means if one-to-one data transformation or transfer is possible, then we don't have so much collision like hub. So switch is better than hub. In our network industry, we have manageable switch and unmanageable switch. If we need security, so most of the company use manageable switch. So in our next slide, we want to discuss why star topology is best and why it is used nowadays, and there is no problem like bus and ring topology. So the best advantage of star topology is when there is a failure in cable, then only one computer might get affected, not the entire network. Star topology is used to ease the probabilities of network failures by connecting all the system in a central node. So one important point is there, star topology is a high performing because another topologies are used to share the bandwidth and broadcasting the network. In star topology, there is no collision, so that's why speed is up, bandwidth is up, and data transfer rate is very high in star topology. So this is the best topology for all the LAN connections. So happy to learn. Thank you so much.